This video will discuss the new Export to Excel option that has been added to Ideas 6.2. The Export to Excel option is available on every report in Ideas that can be generated from an input screen where you are allowed to put in parameters to run the report. I'll be showing three reports, the Geo Custom report in the Journal Ledger, the Account Balance Inquiry Transaction Detail report also in the Journal Ledger, and the Invoice Batch report in AP. The Custom GL report can be run still to the screen and exported with all the formatting, but the Export to Excel option allows you to export the data that is put into the temp table prior to generating the report. It's just raw data, but many times clients would like to have that raw data so they can do their own data mining, pivot tables, filtering, so forth and so on. So to create the Export to Excel, just click the Export to Excel button. The report will generate the Excel spreadsheet very quickly. Once you open it, you'll see that the basic information is in the file. You have the FQA that's being selected, the description. We do parse the FQA into its individual elements. You see the additional data, the debits and credits, the batch number, the period number that this was posted to, a line number, all the information that you might want to help you with the analysis of the data. If there was invoice and vendor information entered, that information is put onto the spreadsheet as well. And the date entered represents the conversion date that is used, and the posting date represents the posting date that was that the journal was posted to. The Account Balance Inquiry Transaction Detail report can be very helpful during the year-end audits that happen in most clients. Most auditors are asking for a dump of transactions for the year. The GL report is used many times for that, but there are limitations within the screen, and the Account Balance Inquiry Detail report seems to format the data a little better for the auditors. Again, once you've put all your parameters in, clicking OK would bring the information to the screen, but the Export to Excel button would create a spreadsheet with the information. Once the spreadsheet is created, we'll take a look at it. Again, you've got FQA, the date entered, the journal ID, line descriptions, basic information. One nice thing about this inquiry is you actually have converted information. It will show you the source currency, the target currency, the target journal that it was posted to, the batch number, and what the converted debits and credits were. Additionally, we also parse the FQA for easier filtering. And there's many times in these temp tables, there's information that's not necessary for what you would probably want to do searching on. So you would just have to ignore those columns or hide them, whichever way you would like to do. So these are both examples of code-based reports where we are generating the report from within our code. All of the reports that create crystal reports have a new icon added to the toolbar that allows you to export to Excel. You can, of course, run the report preview as normal and export the report to Excel with all the formatting. But again, the Export to Excel function just takes the underlying data that's in the temp table and puts it into a spreadsheet. So if we click the Export to Excel icon, the report will run, create the spreadsheet, and then you can see the results here. In this case, it gives you invoice information, the FQA coding that was done, the amounts, tax codes, gives you vendor information of who it was posted to. It does give you a batch number, so you could filter on batch number. You could filter by vendor if you would like to see all the transactions by a specific vendor, or whatever your needs are to do your analyzation. In short, we think this is some functionality that a lot of clients have sort of been asking for and need, and we think it enhances the ability to analyze the data from within our system.